Very important news. Now, as you can see, OpenAI here just released this new image generation and it's awesome. So today we're gonna test it. Something that I'm very excited to try is this character consistency here. Until this moment, the only way to have consistent characters was to train your own models, but this way is not beginner friendly. But you have this option now for character consistency right inside ChatGPT. So let's test it out. Right, now I've prepared the characters and now I'm gonna show you the process here, step by step. So first I opened ChatGPT and I found some image of Rick from Rick and Morty on Google and placed it here. And my prompt was, create me a character in a similar style, but not the same character. This way we will avoid copyright issues. So right after that, ChatGPT gave me this character. As you can see, it's absolutely the same style, but it's a different character. The next step here was, I produced a talking character. So I typed something like, keep the character, but create a talking pose, like the character is explaining something. So it gave me this result. And I also told him to keep the character but produce a different pose and gave me this, and after that it gave me this. As you can see, these three characters are identical. And from this prompt I took this image here and right after that I told him, create me a male character in the same style, and this is the result. Again, I told him to give me a talking character like he is explaining something, and to give me another pose, and to give me a third pose, and this is the result. From this image of Rick here, create me a character in a similar style but not the same character, it gave me this one. So right after that I told him to give me a talking poses, it gave me this, and on a new chat I insert a photo of the female and I told him to create me a male character in the same style, and it gives me this. Now, as you can see, this is absolutely the same style and it's very cool. The next step was I downloaded the image to my computer and I did a simple image editing. I removed the background, I removed the mounts because we will import our own mounts, and I fixed the character's positions. And this is our female character here, Olivia. Three poses here, like she is talking, she is explaining something. And this is for Bruno, our male character. He is also talking and he is also explaining something. And we have two characters with three different poses we can use for our animation. The next step from now on here, I downloaded these characters on my computer, and now we will go to our software ClipsBee here because we will animate them. Now go to ClipsBee here and let's create a new project. ChatGPT image generation, and select here multiple characters because we have two characters and we want to create a video where they have conversation with one another. Create. Alright, and now the fun part here. This is the default option here, but we want to create custom characters. Here for the left side, go to character. You can pick from our own characters, but we will go to create character. This is a custom builder, but we have the option here to import our own custom characters. So go to custom imported and select import. Now skip this part. I will create a tutorial here for the lip sync, but on another video, and click next step. Here we will ask you what assets you have. Click separate poses and mounts. Now here for the character poses, you have to upload the three poses of the male. And I will select the three poses here of our character and I will click open. And now our talking character here is ready. You can see the preview here. Now let's import and the mouth shapes. Click here advanced because we will upload mouths for every mouth shape, every sound, and click book upload. I again will select all of the mouth shapes and I will click open and they will automatically sync here. Now go to next step, and now we just have to place the mount wherever we like. I will place it here. Alright. Now let's go to the next pose pose 2. You can also place the mount wherever you like. Let's keep the same position. And pose 3, I will move it a little bit here. And now let's see the preview. And this is our talking character. As you can see how easy it is. Now let's save this character. I will select the character here, give it a name, Bruno. Now let's select the voice. I will choose here the echo voice and click create character. And our character now is ready. Place it here. You can make it smaller, bigger. I will leave it like this and click save. Great. Now you can also change the background here. I will select this background. And this is our scene for the Bruno. Now I will do the same for Olivia, but I will skip this part. Great, now we have two talking characters on our scene here, the Bruno and Olivia. And now I will show you how you can create a simple animation with just a prompt. Don't touch anything here. Just go to idea to script and you will see this box here, idea prompt. Here you can type whatever you like. Let's try it. What is the best way to make money with YouTube? Super generic prompt. Let's test it out, and you can change the maximum duration. I will leave it to 1 minute because I don't want this video to be so long, and you can change the conversation style from educational, storytelling, debate and instructional. I will leave it educational. Now just click generate script and watch the magic happens. And this is our script here. Very cool. Everything is ready. Now you have two choices here. You can leave the script like this, or you can delete some stuff and you can add some stuff. You can edit this document like it's a Google Doc basically. But I will leave the script just like this. If you want, you can select the part of the text here and you can insert images, AI images with a prompt or from your computer, but I will not do that now. I want to just hear them talk, so I will go to project settings and you can change the pause between character speech. I will not touch this. I will just click embed subtitles in video. And once everything is ready, just click the only button here, create video. Click it and here wait the video on this downloads folder. Alright, our video here is ready. Now let's download it and let's watch it.
Hey Olivia, I've been thinking about starting a YouTube channel. Do you know how people usually make money from it?
Great question, Bruno. There are several ways to earn money on YouTube. The most common method is through ad revenue. Once you sign up for the YouTube Partner Program, you can earn money from ads displayed on your videos.
Interesting. Are ads the only way?
Not at all. Another popular way is through sponsorships. Brands might pay you to feature or mention their products in your videos if you have a large enough audience.
That sounds promising. What about selling merchandise or products?
Exactly. Many creators design and sell their own merchandise like t-shirts or mugs. You can use platforms like Printful to handle production and shipping.
What else should I consider?
Creating membership sites or Patreon accounts lets fans support you with monthly contributions. This often gives subscribers exclusive content or perks. Keep building your following and diversify your revenue streams.
Guys, I want to think about something. This is the easiest way to create AI videos right now. Imagine how fast you can start a new channel and how fast you can test your idea. Basically, you can create hundreds of videos in a couple of weeks. Just like that, with just the prompts. If you want to check our tool ClipsBee, I will leave a link in the description and you can join our waitlist and you can also join our Discord server where you can ask questions and we will help you with your video creation process. Okay, that was all for this video and I will see you in the next one.